how to download Minecraft on your iPhone 8 Plus. In this video, I'll show you the official way to buy and install Minecraft from the App Store. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet and you're signed in with your Apple account. Next, open the App Store and tap the Search tab at the bottom. Type Minecraft into the search bar and select the official game. Since Minecraft is a paid app, you'll see in-app purchases below Get button. Simply tap it. Then confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password, depending on your device. If you don't have a payment method added to your Apple account, you'll be prompted to add one before completing the purchase. You can use a supported credit or debit card, Apple account balance, or any other payment method available in your country. Once the purchase is complete, the game will begin downloading automatically. After the installation finishes, tap Open or launch Minecraft directly from your home screen and start playing. And that's how you can download and install Minecraft on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.